remanufactured diesel engine starts with a core engine that is completely disassembled, meticulously cleaned, and carefully inspected. Every component is either reconditioned or replaced to meet or often exceed original equipment manufacturer specifications. Critical wearable parts such as pistons, bearings, and gaskets are replaced with new or requalified components. The engine block is machined and pressure tested, and all sub-assemblies are tested to ensure they meet exact tolerances and production standards. The result is a product that performs like new with proven reliability and durability.